Learn how to be a better leader myself.
Strengthen my own institution.
Understand how we can move our charity forward.
Learn more about leadership and how to develop it.
Understand where the power lies.
How can I improve my team?
And develop new leaders.
Develop a research, action and evaluation plan.
Find out more about power.
What is our self-interest and how can we work together?
Networking and meeting other like-minded people.
Highly committed people.
Meeting lots of other people who are similarly driven.
Bringing together professionals in a more coordinated, holistic way.
Understanding how I can develop networks.
You are not alone in this drive. The ideas and the tools that can bring out my qualities.
I know now that I do have the power.
Out of my shell.
Really good material, really well delivered.
Learning the techniques and strategies.
Really good strategies and tools.
To get communities together.
Access to new people and new tools.
The practical tools.
Learning more about leadership.
Finding out more about how relationships are so crucial.
How I can take everything forward for the student council.
Really relevant and useful skills.
What I can do with my power.
I feel empowered.
Make me a bit more useful to the society.
Mobilise the community and start dreaming big about some of the other green spaces in Connyborough.
Implement things in school and make a bigger difference.
I've got a lot of information to pass on to my fellow volunteers.
Engaging with one-to-one with parents.
Start gathering information about what affects the children and what they would like to change.
Help the student council make some changes at school and feel that they have the power to do so.
And then build followers as well.
Develop people looking at their skill set to actually achieve our objectives.
Let's get rid of all the prejudice.
I'm definitely going to recommend each and every staff should go and join this course.
At the heart of our work is actually understanding the communities in which we work.
We all want to achieve a common good.